Hello YouTube fans, welcome back to Been There Reviewed That. So today I have a special treat. Stick around if you want to see the inside of this iconic building here in Daegu. It's called the Arc. We're going to go inside it, we're going to go around it, we're probably going to get a drone out, probably go on top of it. We're going to see all there is to see about this iconic piece here in Daegu. So stick around, watch the full video, you're going to get a lot out of it. Let's go in the Arc. All right guys, so we're gonna go inside this Arc here in Daegu. Real quick, I wanted to point out this area of Daegu. It's really calm and peaceful, as you can see. I've been watching the birds fly along this river and go down and get fish and stuff. So birds or ducks, something. But if you notice, it's really peaceful. There's also bike trails. There's a bike trail that runs all along this, and it goes along this bridge over here. And then across that side, I can see people riding bikes over on the other side of the river. So it must go all the way around here. So if you want to come out to a nice, quiet, peaceful setting in Daegu, get away from the city and all the hustle and bustle, this is the place to come. All right, let's go inside this Arc. Hopefully they say I can record and they don't give me any issues. I got my mask. So over here in Korea still, if you want to go inside any building, masks are mandatory. Outside it's optional, but inside it's mandatory. So just a word of wisdom, have your mask ready and don't leave home without it. I think it's free also, which is cool because I like free. Let's go inside here. At night it looks like they have LEDs on the Arc, which is really cool. I'd like to see it at night, and maybe I'll come back one day and do a night video. Let's go inside. So it says the Arc, Architecture of River Culture. Wow, this is really something else. Look at these pictures over here. These are all drawings, I guess, of kids. Ooh, this one's good. Look at that. These are really cool. This one's funny. Here's the bathrooms here, male, female. Ooh, I like that painting. How it's coming out. Oh, that's really cool looking. Look at that fish. I'm not sure what this is, but it's a bunch of people all bowing. It looks really cool. Looks like you can't go upstairs right now. That's off limits. So it says, sharing hope. A greeting man epitomizes peace and reconciliation to transcend cultural and racial difference. Please take part in this initiative to support the environmental protection campaign. Looks like that's pretty much all you can do. You can't go, maybe there's an elevator we can use. Oh, no elevator. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like you can't go upstairs today. But it is really cool inside of here, so definitely come check out this area. I'm gonna take a little video for YouTube. and I'll see you outside. All right, so we're back outside now. Not a whole lot to do inside. It looked like the upper floor was closed. So that's definitely something I'll want to check out at a later date. Look at this bike. It's got no seat. But it's not locked. Oh, it is locked. All right, let's go up on top. I want to see, I think there's like water or something up there. So let's walk up there and see what it looks like. All right, so it looks like normally there is water up here, but right now there's nothing. So maybe there's a season for this and it's open. I'll have to look at it and see. But this is the Ark. I guess there's LED lights somewhere on this structure, or maybe all of those are LEDs. If you see all the little white dots, they must all be LEDs. So that's pretty much what it looks like out here. This is your view once again. The hospital that I just went to is right over here. If you click on the link in the upper right hand corner, that'll take you to the inside of that hospital that's right above this bridge. It's Dongsung Hospital. So click on that link if you want to see the inside of a Korean hospital. It was pretty cool. I really like that hospital. If you're in area 4 and they refer you to Dongsung, it's a good hospital. Check out that link. It'll be in the description also. But I'm gonna take some drone shots of this whole area, and then that'll be it for this video. So I set the drone off to the side here and I took off from this area. As you can see, the dirt kind of flies up when it takes off. This drone, it really just does impress me. It's the DJI Mini SE, so it's the most basic edition of DJI drones. It costs $299 on Amazon, so it's their cheapest model. But I'll tell you what, it takes some really good video, and I'm just an amateur drone flyer, but the video quality is just excellent, and the stabilization and everything, just that camera on that DJI is just amazes me every time I see the new video. I saw this green thing and I was like, what is that? Is that like a field or something? And then that brown rectangular thing, so I wanted to get in closer to it. So I was like, all right, let's do a little, circle around the Ark here. It is a really cool structure. Let me know in the comments what you guys think about this structure, this shape, the architecture. There's a pamphlet inside the building that shows the guy who designed it. I think he's some European guy. I think I might have grabbed the pamphlet actually, but there's a lot of other information inside for tourism and little maps and stuff like that to explain the history of this Ark. As a closer examination, you can kind of see it looks like it's a little like a AstroTurf looking thing, and I don't know what that brown thing is. Maybe they have like fencing or something. I don't know what would be that size. I don't know. I'm not a fencer, but it looks like a fencing mat to me. I don't know. So maybe they do something up there. Maybe it's a little stage. I'm not sure. You can see there's doors there, so definitely access up on top. I'm not sure what goes on up there, but. And there you can see the road and the bike trail right there along that river. Thanks for watching today's video at the Ark here in Daegu, Korea. If you want to see more videos like this, comment below and let me know. It's a very beautiful site out here, very quiet, very peaceful. There's a lot of biking, and you can bring your kids out, you know, for whatever you want to do out here. So it's a nice experience. Make sure you check out more videos. Check out these 2 videos that are coming up here, and I'll see you in the next one. Take it easy.